Today let's discuss the different good habits that one must always practice. So we are going to talk about 12 good habits which you should observe on a daily basis. Part 1. Wake up early. Wake up early. Make your bed and tidy your room. Make your bed and tidy your room. Brush your teeth twice daily. Brush your teeth twice daily. Do not skip a healthy breakfast. Do not skip a healthy breakfast. Drink plenty of water. Drink plenty of water. Take a bath every day. Take a bath every day. Regularly comb your hair. Regularly comb your hair. Wash your hands before and after meals. Wash your hands before and after meals. Eat green veggies and fruits. Eat green veggies and fruits. Do not waste food. Do not waste food. Finish your homework in time. Finish your homework in time. And the last one on our list for the day is trim your nails regularly. Trim your nails regularly. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know a list of good habits that's going to go ahead and help you so much in your future life. Thank you so much for joining in today. And I hope you also check out the second part of this Good Habits series, and you will be able to find the link for that in the description box below. You can also check out our other fun adventures by checking the videos on our channel. The links for those will also be there in the description box. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.